Здорово,
boss.
что случилось?
You speak English? Мы чуть-чуть русский.
Чуть-чуть.
Сам турист.
Понятно.
Не место.
What do you want?
I have a problem with petrol. Petrol is finished. My car bank, my back card is no work here in the Russian. I have problem with the petrol station is broke my account. I don't know what happened in my account here.
Понятно.
I have my money from Jordania. Is no good here and I am from Russia.
Да.
Yes.
Which money is in the Russia?
Рубли.
Rubli. I give it to my ring souvenir. Give me some money, Ruski, please. I need some money. I stay 3
No,
hours here.
No.
No.
You can help me, please.
No.
Souvenir. I give you two money back. I can give you two money back. I send you money back. No problem. I don't sell my
Один
gold.
человек 100 рублей просто.
I don't sell my gold. This is lot of money. This gold, you know.
No.
Вот.
Да.
Но они по-любому остановятся и дальше запросят обратно. Но если... Пацаны!
Уезжай, это наебалово. Попадали уже?
Они с двух сторон стоят, что ли?
Да.
Но. Попадали уже, я читал про эту хуйню.